Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a business owner or accountant using QuickBooks, you know how important it is to handle payments efficiently. Today, we're tackling how to post an ACH payment in QuickBooks for 2025. ACH payments are electronic transfers that make banking smoother, and by the end of this video, you'll be posting them like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks account. If you're using the latest 2025 version, you'll notice some updated interfaces, but don't worry, it's user-friendly. Start by navigating to the Banking tab on the left sidebar. This is your hub for all financial transactions. Once you're there, click on Record Deposit or Bank Transactions, depending on your setup. Now, select ACH Payment from the Transaction Type dropdown. You'll need to enter the key details: the amount of the payment, the date it was processed, and the payee's information. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any errors later. Next, categorize the payment. For example, if it's for a vendor, assign it to the appropriate expense category like Accounts Payable. This helps with your bookkeeping and tax reporting. If you're reconciling your bank account, make sure this ACH payment matches your bank statement. QuickBooks often auto-matches these, but verify it manually. One quick tip: always add a memo or note to the transaction for future reference, especially if it's a recurring payment. This keeps your records organized. Finally, hit Save and Close to finalize it. And there you have it. That's how you post an ACH payment in QuickBooks for 2025. It's a straightforward process that saves time and reduces paperwork. If you run into any issues, check QuickBooks Help Center or consult a professional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance tips. See you next time.